guys, so let me show you my new toy. So I'm gonna be working on the frame on this one. I need to take it all in pieces and then figure it out how I'm gonna make my frame. So let me show you the parts I got for this one. Okay guys, Mustang is almost, well, it's ready. It's kind of done. So now I'm gonna show you my next project. So it's a Jeep Hurricane. I got this one for a really good price, so can't let it go. So I got the parts, most of the parts I need for starter. So I'm gonna use a 110. That's the first time I use one of these. So I've been learning a lot about these engines. I mean, I've been using 212s in my latest projects and I love them and it's easy to work with. But I want the challenge to use one of these. I know it's gonna be less power, but I don't know, I just wanna see how it works. So I'm gonna try to use this one. If I don't feel comfortable, I might can switch to a 212, but for now I think I'm gonna start with this one. So what else I got is, the other thing is I got this muffler. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find the same size pipe and I'm gonna make it longer so it can go all the way from the front to the back, so you know it looks better. That's not a big deal. And then I have a longer shot for the back. So I'm gonna use these ones in the back. And so they're gonna make it look taller, good. Gonna look good. And what else? I got these ones in my F-150. They were too short, but they really work. So I think I'm gonna use these ones for the front. And the reason I'm using this one is because I don't have much space there. With the engine in there, I don't feel like I can do much, you know, like, so I think this one's gonna work perfect for now. So I mean, in the future I can do some changes to it. I just wanted to make it work for now. And the tires, I got these big golf cart tires for a really cheap price, and I can't say no. So what I got is I already have the live axle. It's a 1 inch, and I'm using a 48 tooth sprocket. So that's gonna be on the back tires. I got 4 of these tires, so I think I'm gonna use them all. I was thinking to use different ones in the front, but I don't know. I need to look around and see if I can find maybe just, you know, that ones are too wide, so let's see. And so this is what I'm gonna use for the front tires for now. So these are golf cart hubs. So that's what I'm gonna use for the front tires for now. And for the gas, I'm gonna use another of these things. I love the way these things work. I mean, you can use it better than having a pedal in a small space. So I think you save a lot of space using one of these, and they work really good. I have one of those. I just installed one on the Mustang, and I got one in the F-150, and I love them. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Like I say, I'm gonna try to make the frame the easiest way. So somebody out there wanna do it, I don't have the experience. I just love to have fun. That's the way it has to be. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you real soon.